Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and real quick I want to tell you a story. I started this story last time I opened dolls on my channel from AliExpress. And that is Ruby Red's World of Dolls had a doll that I fell in love with. I was not able to get her and had not seen her since, but I did get this girl who I think looks like an Indian except for the curly hair. And I'm talking about an American Indian, which was, as a child, my favorite dolls. This girl's name is Morning Thunder. I love this outfit. This was sent to me in a collab by Beth Ramsden. I put it on this doll. I have never taken it off. I also have outfits from other YouTubers that I put on a doll, and it's like, oh, I'm just not taking that off. So that's why I have to buy so many dolls, because, you know, they get these outfits and they need to wear them. So anyway, I did find that doll again just with this last sale that was, oh good, that was going on. This was marked that it had shipped and I didn't feel it in here, so I was not happy. I did find the doll, or so I hope. Let's open the boxes and see what we have. And then I found another one that I fell in love with. It is an icy, and while I have a lot of icies, I opened the wrong end. While I have a lot of icies, most of them, 99%, are on Mimi Bowback bodies as chubbies. I don't know, I have 4 or 5 or 6 of those. Love them, make no mistake, but I thought, I need icies in my collection. Okay, not who I thought. Let's hope there's 2 dolls in that box. This is a melon-haired colored doll that I bought on sale because I love these melon hair girls. And I always find a use for them. Boy, I'm cutting everything in the wrong area this morning. All right, let's see if her eyes work. I love this hair. This is one of my favorite colors of Blythe doll hair, is this melon. I have Peaches, who is my mascot for my Whimsical Blythe website, and I have Pumpkin, who rides on my orange bike with me. Okay, eyes look good. These are just such cute little dolls. Love, love, love that hair. Oh, okay, it's heavy. It's heavy. Whew, here's hoping. All right. I have a couple names in mind for this doll. I am leaning towards one. I saw a doll on Irene Huff's Dolly Space I fell in love with. We did a, I think it was a sweater challenge that Tina at Tina's Reborns and More put up. And Irene had this Poppy Parker doll that I fell in love with. I mean, I fell in love with. I need one. It looks like this doll as Poppy. Okay, here are her hands. This doll, to me, and one of the reasons I like her, to me, she looks like a Blackfoot American Indian. And I am of American Indian descent, and I have always enjoyed American Indian culture and movies, and when my dad watched Cowboys and Indians, I always rooted for the Indians. Let's see what her eyes look like. I am going to do a face-up on her. She definitely needs dark brown eyes. Oh gosh, she's gorgeous. Let's take the face mask off. She has a shiny face, which is the reason I want to do the face up. But is she not gorgeous? Look at this hair. Let's pull this off. Look at this hair. That straight black. Oh, gorgeous. I am so happy to have this doll. Like I said, I saw this on Ruby Red's channel years ago. It has to be 4 or 5 years now. This is a doll I had seen and fell in love with. She too was on sale. I bought quite a few Blythe dolls, surprise, surprise, when they were on the Christmas
Black Friday?
Black Friday sales, yeah. This girl I'm going to name Tinsy because she has tinsel in her hair that I hope it's showing up on camera. I absolutely love this hair. We're going to have to decide what kind of a fancy stand she's going to get. Absolutely. Is it showing up or do you know?
I can see.
Just gorgeous. She is an icy, and like I said, I am not going to do a face up on her because I could use a couple icies in my collection. Her eyes are, see the pink? It is more pink in the icies, and they also have the purple, which is what I might leave her on because it is an icy trait, and so is the ring replacement that says Angela. Angela. Let's finish her eyes so you can see them all, but I'm going to leave her on purple. She is gorgeous. Oh, what kind of clothes is she going to wear? I don't know. She did not come with hands. With the icies, you have to get those separate. It's all of them that I have seen. You buy the hands separate, but I thought I needed some icy faces. I should have pointed that out. You can see the difference. They have more of a chubby, longer filled out face. Their mouth is a little bit more pouty. It makes them absolutely perfect for those Mimi Bobak bodies. Something I just noticed. They've tightened the heads a little bit. These used to come quite floppy. Oh, they still are. Can you see that? Which is not a problem. My husband happens to make, well, and sell neck joints. So we will get her a neck joint. And the icy heads do take a different neck joint. And if you're using it for a Mimi Bobak body, it's even more different. And Darren has customized that. Okay, this is fantastic. Vegas, baby. BlytheCon next year. So I am thrilled with that fabric. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Let me know what you think about my new girls. I'm in love with her, just in love with her. They're going to get special dresses for sure, and maybe I'll bring them back out and show you. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.